again, Landalt leaders. Mrs. Effenhauser here with our 4th Makerspace Challenge. If you missed our previous cardboard, catapult, or paper airplane challenge, be sure to log in to the Landalt Library It's Learning page. You'll find these previous challenges as well as ideas for learning about circuits and electronics and coding. Don't forget to take photos or videos of your creations and post them on our Landalt PTA Facebook page or our Landalt Library Twitter feed at Landalt Library. This week's Makerspace Challenge is making a hovercraft. For this project, you will need an old CD that you no longer want, a balloon, and a bottle cap. Our goal is to attach this balloon over the hole in the CD. To do that, we're going to glue the bottle cap over the hole, and then we can attach the balloon to that bottle cap. We need a hole in the cap, so if you have a bottle cap like this one, you're already good to go. If not, then you'll need to puncture several holes into the top of your cap with a hammer and a nail. You might want to ask parent help for this. You'll place your bottle cap down onto something that you don't want to damage and puncture several holes, just like that, through the cap. After you've got your holes punctured in the top of your cap, then you're going to want to glue the cap over the center of that hole in the CD. If you're doing this by yourself, you can use Elmer's school glue, but you want to be patient and make sure it's dry. That might take a whole day for it to dry. If your parents are helping, you can use a hot glue gun or super glue. Once your glue is dry, then you can put your balloon over your cap, like this. To make your hovercraft float, you'll need to blow up the balloon from the back of the CD. But remember, if you get moisture from your breath on the back of the CD, you'll want to wipe it off before you let it go. Otherwise, it will stick to the surface and won't glide across the surface. Remember to look for the smoothest surfaces you can find, such as a kitchen counter, tabletop, or a wood floor. Best wishes on your challenge, and remember to look for Miss Gracia next week as she hosts the next challenge.